Hey guys, welcome back. Vinod Perera here, and I'm a software engineering undergraduate in the GIAT. GIAT means Java Institute for Advanced Technology, and I recently started uploading videos to YouTube. So in these videos, I create content which is basically regarding software in the field of software engineering. So if anyone's out there who's interested in the field of software engineering, you can follow my channel. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon, and the latest content will be brought up to you in the recent future. So without further ado, let's move on to question number 17. Today we have question number 17 in line up for us, and in the question number 17, as in the same as question number 15 and 16, 15 and 16 are the same question, but we divided them into two videos, so it's easy for you to refer them. And let's stop at question number 17. Now today we have question number 17 in line for us. Let's go and check it out. So question number 17, here we go. So this is the same question. Now in the next video also I'm going to discuss the same question, but with the coding. And in the first question I am supposed to only show you the design, but I'll explain you the code how it works. Okay, so let's quickly go on to the answer. It says full answer. So as you can remember, in question number 15 and 16 it was the same design. So I used the same design, but I used different colors. So this is the register section, and this is the sign in section. So once a user is registered in this interface, he can sign in himself for the home page. But in question number 15 and 16, if you haven't watched, you can go ahead and pause this video and you can check that out also. In those videos in 15 and 16, I didn't use any database. I just transferred data here and there, and I picked the data while they were transferring and did the validations. But in this video I am going to use a database. And I will show you those databases at the next video. Next video means the video that I am supposed to show you the code and programming and stuff. But in this video I am going to show you the simple design. Okay, so this is the design I made. It's completely responsive, and once you change the shape of the browser, it changes the size as such. So the content inside the page completely fits onto the size of the browser. So once you change the size, no matter the size, it will automatically adjust to the size of the browser. So even in the smaller situations, it can fit onto the browser. So this is the basic design, that fitting onto the size of the browser. You use the term called responsive. That means what the design that I have built is completely responsive, means it adjusts to the size of the browser. No matter the size of the browser, it fits onto the browser, showing the content as it is in every device. Okay, so then I'll move on to the code, because in this video I am only supposed to show the responsive design. So according to the question here, it says us to build a responsive device for small, medium and large. So in my answer, this is the smallest browser, and this is medium, and this is the largest. Okay. So that's it what I have to do for question number 1. And they are also asking us to design a database called test, and that I have designed here. In Heidi SQL I have a database called test, as you can see. So once you click it on, you can access the tables inside the database. And I will open this and refer for the users. So I have only one user. I have registered myself only, and so as you can see, my password is Marvel Universe, because I'm a huge Marvel fan. That's an extra thing. and so if there's only one user, the system only recognizes only one user. So if you just go through like this, if you it says to design a table called users inside the database that I have designed, and then the email is primary. If you refer those database question series, you will understand this more thoroughly. So I am just going to show you the database, because all the explaining part I have done in that video series. And here, as you can see, all the emails, I have the email and the password, and I have to create a PHP program for that and execute that using SQL query. Okay, now I'll show you the basic coding and programming behind the web page. Now this is as usual, this is the question file. It's not that much of important, because those questions are basically images which are viewed using a specific system using CSS, and this is where all the magic happens. This is the place where I design the Bootstrap design. So I basically use the Bootstrap grid system, but use my own CSS to give the colors. As you can see, you have basically the basic colors that I have only used two basic colors, purple and white. So as you can see, all the purple, black and white content inside the divs, and these are basic hover effects. Here, as you can see, once you move your cursor onto the buttons, it gives us a hover effect, and also that responsive nature of the web design is 100% based on the Bootstrap design. So I didn't use Bootstrap for the styles and CSS, as although it's a CSS framework, I used it because of its grid system, because I don't have my own grid system and I know only the designing and colors and stuff. I used my colors and designing skills to make the interface beautiful, and used the grid system to make the web page responsive. Okay, then I have set some on-click functions onto the buttons, and that part I will introduce you to that part in the next part of the video, which I will be programming this question. Okay, see you then guys, bye.